Today on JiffyWiz, we're gonna make Dobby the Pancake. Stay tuned. Welcome to JiffyWiz, where we make magic. My name's Andy Sharp, and if you're new to this channel, we do Harry Potter DIY. We unbox loot, talk wizarding news, we make prop replicas, and sometimes we do art. If you're new to this channel, think about subscribing, hit that little bell if you want reminders. We do new videos every single Monday. So today I thought we would do pancake art. I've been watching a lot of pancake videos from Dan Cakes, and I thought I'd give it a shot. So I'm gonna put this under the art category as opposed to the how to make category, because if you want to know how to make pancake art, there's plenty of YouTube channels out there, and this is my very first time doing it, so don't think I am the authority. I thought Dobby would be a good first pancake, so I got a picture here. I'm certainly not going to get that level of detail, but that is what I'm going to use for my inspiration for my Dobby pancake. Here we go. Wish me luck. Right, that is the pancake art of Dobby the House Elf. A little soft. Let's try it. I'm free! Hit that like button if you like this video, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm at JiffyWiz. I also have a Etsy store with Harry Potter inspired art for sale. Check that out in the description below. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe right over there in that green dot. We do new videos every single Monday. I hope to see you guys back here. Mischief managed.